Halo guys, ketemu lagi di channelnya Prabu Intan guys. Di video kali ini kita akan membahas tentang bagaimana keramataman orang Indonesia terhadap bule saat berkunjung ke Indonesia guys. Bahkan bule ini sampai kaget atau shock. Ternyata keramataman orang Indonesia itu sudah di level tertinggi. Begitu kan? Oke lah guys, gimana videonya? Yuk kita saksikan.
That I get asked all of the time about Bali, and we did have the same concerns before we came here but actually it is one of the most safest places I've ever been. The Balinese people are beautiful and full of love, and because with their religion here, there's not really a lot of crime. I can leave my bike unlocked, it will never get stolen. We're from Cambridge in the UK, and honestly, if you even left your bike unattended for 10 minutes, it would get stolen.
Banyak wisatawan asing yang awalnya ragu untuk mengunjungi Indonesia karena anggapan bahwa negara ini kurang aman dibandingkan negara-negara barat seperti Amerika Serikat. Namun, kenyataannya justru sebaliknya. Banyak bule yang justru terkejut dengan kenyataan yang mereka temui. Tingkat keamanan di beberapa kota besar seperti Yogyakarta, Bali, atau Bandung ternyata jauh lebih baik daripada yang mereka bayangkan.
Banyak bule yang terkejut guys, yang awalnya ragu ternyata berbanding terbalik dengan pemikiran dari awalnya. Bahkan Indonesia ini menjadi tingkat keamanan yang paling bagus begitu katanya guys.
So that does not happen here. You can leave your doors unlocked. And in regards to the school is an international school. It's on a complex which is really, really safe. And yeah, I've never felt worried about leaving the kids there. They have a really good system. And I feel safer here than I do in the UK. I would be more worried about the kids being taken in the UK than I would be here in Bali.
So the first day I arrived in Kupang, I was walking towards the beach, and he was on his scooter, and he stopped and he asked like, "Hey, where are you going?" He said like, "Oh, just I'll take you to the beach." And he explained me that he was a Maxim driver, which is kind of like an Uber driver. So it was actually his job. But he said like, "I'm not gonna charge you anything. Don't worry at all." I'm like, okay, no worries. And then we exchanged numbers and everything. He was really.
Saat pertama datang ke Kupang, ia bertemu dengan seorang pengendara ojek online. Dan pengendara ojek online tersebut menawarkan tumpangan untuk ke pantai. Namun tim dibuat kaget, karena pengendara ojol tersebut tidak meminta imbalan apapun. Bahkan tim diajak pengendara ojol tersebut ke rumahnya. Dan dijamu dengan begitu ramah.
Dan dijamu begitu ramah guys. Udah tidak dibayar, malahan dijamu dengan begitu ramah. Begitulah keramahan orang Indonesia guys.
Guys, as we're on a little break here, I've been reading the comments, and so many of you have commented on the fact that it's Indonesia and everybody in Indonesia treats the guest with respect and very well, so that they feel welcomed. Indeed, I do feel welcomed and I do feel special.
Sambut secara istimewa.
But part of me just wants to be a fly on the wall, and that's normally how I travel. I like to blend in with the environment that I'm in, because in my opinion that's the only way to see
udah kayak jadi saudara mungkin ya,
where you're traveling, is to be that fly on the wall and not get the special attention. Of course, I'm so grateful for it and I cannot complain because it's been amazing, but part of me just wants to blend in. What do you guys think about that? I know that Indonesians take pride in their culture, but I wondered what you thought about that.
Dari hal kecil seperti senyum dan sapaan hangat, hingga sifat keterbukaan orang Indonesia terhadap orang asing. Semua itu menciptakan pengalaman yang tak terlupakan bagi para wisatawan. Bisa dibilang, keramahan orang Indonesia sudah berada di level yang sangat tinggi. Karena pada kehidupan sehari-hari, orang Indonesia tidak hanya menunjukkan senyum dan sapaan saja, tapi sudah pada level yang lebih tinggi. Salah satu
itu guys, contohnya guys, bahwa keramataman orang Indonesia sudah menjadi level tertinggi gitu guys.
Contohnya mengundang orang asing ke rumah.
Nah guys, itulah videonya guys. Ternyata guys, keramataman orang Indonesia menjadi daya tarik tersendiri untuk para bule, sehingga bule betah berada di Indonesia guys. Berbanggalah jadi orang Indonesia guys, dan terima kasih.